Hi guys, I'm Maybe Westwick and welcome back to my channel. It does feel good to be back. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe by clicking at the button below. And for those who are returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for coming back. Thank you for being here. You're one of the reasons why I am constantly posting videos every week lately. So today's vlog, I wanted to talk about my skincare routine, but just not any skincare routine. It's my ordinary skincare routine. Now, I know lots of people like me have dealt with or are dealing with pigmentation, and I know lots of people love ordinary products because they see them, they look really pretty, but they really don't know what to buy for what. So today I'm going to be taking you through the ordinary products that you need to deal with or to treat pigmentation or to minimize your pigmentation. I know that in the beginning I was confused as well. I know that I wanted to buy ordinary products, but I wasn't really sure what worked for what. So I kind of found my way through a lot of research and all of that to figure out what works best for pigmentation and also what works best for acne. But today I'm going to be focusing on pigmentation, and for my next video I'm going to be focusing on what ordinary products work best for acne. So make sure you stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because there's lots of insightful things that you can learn today. So first things first, I'll say it's very important that you wash your face. I feel like everybody knows this now. However, in washing, make sure you're not using any sort of material that is abrasive and that can ruin your skin. So try to use stuff that is soft and easy. So as with every ordinary skincare routine, there's the AM routine, which is the morning routine, and then there's the PM routine, which is the night routine. So first I'm going to take you through the AM routine. I've already washed my face. I'm just going to go straight into it. So typically what you would need in the mornings are alpha arbutin 2% plus HA. I really don't know how to pronounce the scientific words, but it's basically alpha arbutin 2% plus HA. That's Hyaluronic Acid, and it's Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate solution, 20% in vitamin F. Alpha arbutin 2% works to help you reduce melanin production on your skin. And I'm not saying melanin production is a bad thing, but sometimes it's part of the reasons why you have those pigmentations that you see because of excessive production of melanin. So what this does is it has active ingredients that can help reduce excessive production of melanin. So I'm just going to take you guys through what I'll typically do in the morning. Like I said, I already washed my face. Ideally, I should be toning my face next after washing with the Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution that Ordinary offers. If you don't know what it looks like, I'm going to put a picture in post. However, I already had my Glycerin and rose water, so it didn't make sense to buy another toning solution. But if I do run out of this one, I definitely will buy the Glycolic Acid toning solution. It's very important that you tone your skin. What toning does is it helps to close your pores and it tightens your cell gaps after cleansing, reduces penetration of impurities into the skin, especially some dirt that you can get, chlorine and minerals that are present in tap water. Toning helps to close your pores and tighten your cells after cleansing. So it's very essential that you tone your skin. I'm not going to take my alpha arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid to my face, and like I said earlier, what this does is it helps minimize the production of melanin, which is what causes that disparity where you have some darker sides and some sides that are lighter. And I'm just going to put this on my skin. Make sure you don't touch your face with your serum applicator. Is very essential, because if it picks up any sort of germs and you put it back in the bottle, you've contaminated the entire bottle. So the next time you use it, just know that you're using something that's already a mess. I like to extend excess serum down to my neck, because obviously you don't want your face looking fly and then your neck looks like an entirely different shade. Another thing that is essential that you do is that you allow the serum dry and breathe for a minute before going on to apply the next thing. So I also have the ordinary daily set. When I said I washed my face earlier, I used my Squalane cleanser, and I also have the Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. Basically what this does for you is it has lots of amazing skin benefits, especially, it helps with dry skin. When they say hydrating, it helps with dry skin. It also helps in reducing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I know that alpha arbutin also has hyaluronic acid, but I also still go in with my, because I have it anyway. Alrighty, so next I'm going to go in with my Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate solution, 20% in vitamin F. It's basically vitamin C infused solution. It is high strength oil solubilized vitamin C derivative in vitamin F, and basically what this does, it helps brighten your skin tone, it reduces visible signs of aging, and it's amazing because what it does is, if alpha arbutin has reduced the production of melanin, and then this now comes and brightens your skin tone, it then means that all those dark areas that you have, so your patches under the dark areas under your eye and all of that, this helps you to kind of blend everything together. So bear in mind, this doesn't bleach you, it just helps make sure that there's a perfect blend and it brightens your dark areas. So I'm just going to let that dry now and I'm good to go. One more thing I like to add, which I don't necessarily have to add, is my moisturizers. I have two. I have the Neutrogena oil-free acne moisturizer, and I also have the ordinary natural moisturizing factor plus HA, as usual, hyaluronic acid. So what I always do is I combine both, because it's essential that you stay moisturized in your skin. You also don't want your skin to be dry, so I always like to moisturize after I'm done with whatever skincare routine I'm done. And this was basically my ordinary AM routine. So this is what you do in the morning before you go out, and right after this I'm going to take you through my nighttime routine for pigmentation. So I take this, just a teeny bit, and I also take this, just a teeny bit as well. Can you see that? Just a teeny bit. I rub together and I put it on my face. Basically, that was my ordinary skincare pigmentation routine for morning, and now I'm going to show you my ordinary skincare routine for nighttime. So in the evening, like I said earlier, it's ideal that you tone as well, and ideally I should be using the ordinary toning solution, glycolic acid, but no, as always I use my rose water to tone my skin. And then, because why you have to tone is toning takes off your dead skin cells and basically rejuvenates your skin. It's essential that you tone again at nighttime because you have to take off all dead cells. Then you take your alpha arbutin again at nighttime and you apply on your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Azelaic acid suspension 10%. It's a brightening formula. It has a brightening boost. It's very important that you follow with that in the nighttime. And you just take a little bit of that and you apply to your face. You follow up with Granactic Retinoid 2% in Squalane, and this is very essential for cell renewal. So all of the dead cells that you have cleaned off when you toned and all of that, this basically renews your cells. Alrighty, so I'm basically done with my pigmentation skincare routine, and I don't necessarily do this every day. I probably do it just once a week. Reason being, I'm trying to not hurt my skin too much. So some days I go with very subtle treatments on my skin, and some days I'm doing my pigmentation treatment, and some days I'm doing my acne treatment. So I basically interchange them because you also want to protect your skin as well. And I hope I was able to be of assistance to anyone who has been confused as to what ordinary products to buy for what. Definitely my next video I will be talking about ordinary products to use for acne, which is another thing that I know lots of people deal with, that I also deal with as well, and ordinary has been very helpful in helping me combat that. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from me, and feel free to comment on anything you want me to vlog about in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Make sure you stick around and watch so many other videos. Remember to always be good to one another. Stay safe. Keep practicing social distancing, and see you next time on my next vlog.